Hey guys, Andy Deal here with VP Racing Fuels. I want to talk to you guys about this awesome product. It's called VP Cool Down. This is a coolant additive. It is a coolant improvement additive, to be specific. It's ideal for racing, also great for the street, as well as RV and towing applications. This product, its big benefit is reducing cylinder head temperatures by 75 degrees. That gets rid of any hot spots in the cylinder head and especially prevents the heat soak within the engine bay, which will increase those air intake temperatures, which we all know is not a good thing. Also, overall, we've seen through testing coolant temps drop down by up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit difference there. Cool down increases the coolant flow as well. So you get better heat transfer, and it's got a good lubricant in there for all the vital components in your coolant system. It's approved by most racing sanctioning bodies, tracks, so you don't have to worry about any of those guys being worried about slippery substance on their track. If you blow a hose, you're good. This is a water-based product. One 16-ounce bottle treats a cooling system between 12 to 20 quarts typically, and those treatments last for 1 year or up to 30,000 miles, whichever comes first. Check out this product on vpracingfuels.com or call a tech for more info.